Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by prepping quickly. Clean each nail with an alcohol pad so the gel sticker bonds immediately. Once done, sort your press-on set by size so you can move fast when applying. Make sure to push cuticles back about 0.5 to 1 millimeter and lightly file the nail surface. That roughness gives the sticker something to grip. You're reducing oils and creating surface area for lifelong hold, so don't skip this step and keep materials within reach. You now apply the sticker. Peel it from the backing at a corner to prevent tearing. Align the rounded base near your cuticle. Notice you want a tiny gap so the sticker won't lift as the nail grows. Press the center first, then smooth outward to force out any trapped air. Once aligned, press firmly with a silicone tool or fingertip for 20 to 30 seconds to set the adhesive. Because the gel sticker is flexible, careful smoothing prevents wrinkles and ensures an even, natural look. You finish by shaping the free edge. File or trim to match your preferred length and curve, and optionally add a thin top coat for shine and extra seal. If any lifting happens, lift the edge, clean both surfaces with alcohol, then reapply and warm the sticker gently for 10 to 15 seconds to reactivate the adhesive. This is the key troubleshooting move. Make sure to avoid heavy water exposure for an hour and press edges daily.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.